Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into our YouTube channel W.D.T High Performance. Today is working on the wide body demon kit from Vicrez, but I'm not working on it today, but I give you a heads up what's going on with it. So you remember the last video, this was on, we took it off, kind of some stuff behind here, so I had to get this breaking off, so I got to sand this down. Some of that goof off stuff will actually help eat this up and get this off too. So yeah, and you already know this side was already taken off already. If you come over here to the other side, oh, the trunk's not closed, just so you know. Finally got this side off. This side was a little more of a pain, so now I got to fix this over here. I gotta get this fixed. The paint was removed here. Try and get this off. Had to take a razor and cut it. I'm gonna have the shop fix this for me. But so yeah. So I had them repaint this whole thing. So that's what's going on right here. And I'll show you the side flares. This is for back right. There's a crack right here, so I got to fix it. So I marked it right there. I don't know if you can see that. So yeah. And right there, got it fixed right there. This is connected, so I'm gonna make a piece go inside here. Then a piece go inside here. This is the front left. Only piece that's cracked is over here. Gotta take a pencil grinder, go over that, then plastic weld it. Get these all repainted. I got this from Amazon. It's my plastic weld gun. There's so much stuff inside here. This is actually how it comes, just like that, but this is it right here. I'll drop a link down below where you can get this. This actually works really nice. I definitely recommend this one. So you get different brackets to use to melt. Each one's for like doing angles and connecting. There, some plastic filler. You get the flat shovel one to smooth it out. You get this one right here for getting into the tight grooves area. Another one. You got this screen mesh stuff right here, and you play that down to here. You just take it and start heating it up and start forming to it. On the outside, you take this tape stuff right here and help keep it in place. So yeah. I'll show you how that turns out later. I'll show you in process working on it. This is what I use to get off the side flares, that stuff. And I also use the spray as well. But this seems like this one works a bit more better, but that also did work too. And I use a my old torch here. What I did, I took a box cutter and I had to heat it up and cut it to remove this from here to here. So yeah, it worked though. So it's a learning in progress. Yeah, this is from Vicrez. It's a white body demon kit from Vicrez. Vicrez buy stuff. It's pretty good. Again, I wouldn't advise anybody using that caulking stuff, adhesive stuff to put on here. It's just not going to stick. The sun hits it and everything else later on. It starts coming apart. When I first put it on here, I scuffed this up a little bit and I cleaned it with rubbing alcohol, let it dry, what it says, then use that caulking stuff, and it's not worth it. So yeah, and after I get these put back on, I'm going to have these redone, put back on here. You know, give me something to do in the meantime until we get some more stuff for the engine. I will be changing the hood to like a Hellcat hood, carbon fiber, because I like it because it has more airflow, goes through here and come outside the vents right there, and I figure it'd be so much better to do, especially if you're gonna run like twin turbos. So it's a work in progress. So in a way, please stay tuned to our YouTube channel, W.D.T High Performance. Please join our group on Facebook called Wicked Dodge Toys. Love to have you. And I got another group on Facebook called Mr. Ghost. It's guns, firearms, stuff like that. If you guys are interested, please join that too. And please check out my other YouTube channel, Mr. Ghost 86. Again, Mr. Ghost on there. Anyway, thank you everyone for watching. Y'all take care and God bless. Stay safe out there. Peace.